How's it going, JDM crew? Another fine adventure at the auction house. It's pretty warm today. Yeah, customer request, so found something extra special for him. We're just gonna look at the little details there. Not the most perfect thing, but it's pretty good shape supposedly. So we're gonna determine that right here, right now. So let's get up there. Nice S15 over there. Got a whole bunch of other goodies. Alrighty, we're here. Let's go check it out. Oh. Alrighty, so definitely here, and looking at some of the other things. It's actually got a nice breeze through here, so it's really good because we're in the port area by the coast, and a lot of nice cars. What's that? We got Miata over here. Oh yeah, we do. That's not what we're here for. Oh wow, that older Celica over there. Bunch of other interesting vehicles. Obviously that's not what we're here for. But another four-door R34. You guys can see just right over there. Actually, I should just go see what's going on here real quick. Oh, nice 5-speed and everything. For real? Yep, it is. It is for real. Oh geez, that reflection though. Let's have a look. Pretty fresh. Got a lot of stuff in there, guys. Very cool. Nice 5-speed and everything. For real? Yep, it is. It is for real. Oh geez, that reflection though. Let's have a look. Pretty fresh. Got a lot of stuff in there, guys. Very cool. Nice, looks like an 03 STI over here as well, from Osaka. Pretty fresh. They didn't have a number of the exact location because they actually just moved it about an hour and a half ago. So they're actually cycling some of the cars and everything between the buildings here, preparing for the auctions tomorrow. So yep, there she is. There it is, the Honda Integra Type R. Very nice. I'm just gonna go through the checks here, some of the stuff our customer was asking about, and make sure it is good to go. See if we can at least get a good view underneath, make sure things are looking okay down here. Oh, yeah. Pretty groovy. Alrighty, I see some of the coating coming off, but that's okay for the mileage. Huh. Yeah, nothing too crazy here. All in all, ooh, can't get to focus. Yeah, just a little bit of the clear coat coming off there. That's about it. So take a look in the engine bay. So while I pause the video for a bit, I'll be taking some extra photos for our customer. But damn, it's pretty good. Just the usual wear and tear. Let's see here what we got there for the mileage. Is it matching what they told us? Oh, come on there. You got this. All right, 135. Got them Recaros. I saw that on the auction sheet. A little bit of wear on this, as you can see, but it is original. Oops, can you even see? Yeah, there you go. Does this have the latch? That does. Okay. Nice. Damn, this is actually really no weird smells. Seems to be well taken care of. I'm gonna go look under the hood right now. Let's go check under the hood real quick. All right, well, that's original. I can do a fresh coat on that. Now, is that carbon fiber? Yeah. All right, looks like we got the OEM HIDs on this. Little warning covers there. Nice. Can definitely polish those up a bit and take that oxidation layer off. But I got that performance intake there. And the battery seems good. I'll give her a start real quick. Here you go. Yeah, really nice overall. Alright, yeah, so overall, you know, other than some of the faded clear coats, I mean, this is pretty good condition, running fine and everything else. Yeah, just the faded clear coat. Man, this is actually really awesome. Well, I guess that's it for now. I already got a lot of the photos of sending over to the customer. See what he thinks. And hopefully it fits his needs. I mean, it had some issues already, so they already kind of knew. I'm just here to confirm it, so pretty sure this is a go. Would love to fix that clear cut though. This thing will look fabulous. Of course, can't wait for that VTEC to kick in. Woo! Alright. But yeah, it sounds really good. It looks like a Kakimoto racing exhaust and all that other stuff. A couple of minor mods, nothing too crazy. Just kind of glancing at what else there is around here. There's actually nothing else on our radar, so I'm just kind of browsing while we get around. Ah, Civic. Is this a Type R also? Yeah. Here we go, guys. Civic Type R, and is that a Miata over there? Yeah, so we got an EK here. Dang, this thing is pretty wild here. Didn't even know about this one. Like I said, there was nothing else on our radar, so interesting. It's definitely got the graphics going on here. And it's got an LSD according to the sticker on there, so that would be nice. But yeah. Another Civic Type R with the red Recaros. Genuine. We've actually had a few EGs recently, so I know EKs aren't quite ready to bring over to the States yet, but I know a lot of people have gotten plenty of Type R parts already over there, so there's another one. Well, I guess that's it for now. You know, hope you guys enjoyed that and just see what's out here. And oh, wow, another Miata. So we got plenty of Miatas, as you can see here. So dang. Well, as always, guys, thanks for stopping by, and hope you enjoyed the video. You know, if you're looking for something in particular, just talk with our sales team. They'll probably send me to look at it again if they don't do it themselves. So, you know, sometimes it's got to run around and enjoy the day, right? Got a couple of 8.6s here. Yeah, so if it's not me or one of the other sales guys, you know, it's we're just checking out these cars, getting them ready for you. And oh, is that a Crown? Yeah, a lot of interesting modified cars floating around here, besides the usual Econoboxes and stuff. Well, okay, guys, as always, thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, forward them over to info@jdm-expo.com. And yeah, just you guys take it easy wherever you are in the world. Remember, wear a mask, you know, cover your coughs, don't touch your face and all that stuff. You guys stay safe wherever you are in the world, and gotta keep the dream alive, huh? That's an actual Treno Hachiroku right there, guys. Like I said, there was nothing on our radar, so this was kind of a bit of a surprise. Hell yeah. Got the full-on Panda. Is this it's composite? Okay. Well, I mean, I was just about to go, but hey, I'll take a look at this too. Guess I'm gonna have to look this one up and let the guys know. Maybe we'll pick this up too. Oh, they actually got the key for this one, so we can't look around. Oh, it looks like this one's an older number, so it's been here for a bit. Interesting. Probably asking quite a bit, I'm sure. Yeah, after the initial D days, well, yeah, it's got a little too popular. My uncle used to have one, and well, that was already gone by the time I was old enough to drive, so that was unfortunate. Goodbye, Sprinter Treno. Well, okay, guys, I'm just gonna close this off here, and as I said, if you have any questions, you know, hit us up, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It all goes to our sales team. And whether they go out or if they send me out, we'll make sure to get those reports to you. Be able to look at certain specifics if you're looking for anything on these cars, you know, making sure everything's all right. That's what we do. So you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you around in the next video. Take care.